I'm Ravi Nagdev. I'm head of operations at Cricket Hong Kong, China. Cricket Hong Kong, China is very happy to be involved with Sports for Inclusion 2023. We are involved by organizing an Indo cricket tournament, and the aim behind organizing the tournament is to showcase cricket as a sport which can be played with people of various different abilities and getting people of different abilities together, enjoying the game of cricket and having a great time. Cricket in Hong Kong is a very unique sport that it can be played of people of various different communities. Men and women, boys and girls can play the game. People of all ages can play the game. We have cricketers from as young as 5-year-olds to masters, which are 60s. People in the 60s and 70s are still playing the game. So that makes cricket a very unique sport. Cricket also has another part to it where people of all abilities can play cricket. What encourages us is to use cricket as a medium which can actually bring people of Hong Kong together, and how we may be different in our community background or ethnicity background, but cricket helps bring all the sports together, and that's why it's great for us to be involved in sport in events like this, so that we can showcase cricket as a sport that brings people together. Join us on 25th of November at Kowloon Cricket Club for the Community Day, and I hope to see you guys there. Remember, one team, one goal, everyone's a winner.